Welcome to Game Changers Worldwide, a community of everyday people who decided to do something different for a better future. This is more than just a team. It is a safe space to grow, dream, and create change. Together, we are Game Changers and we're just getting started. And this is our mission and vision. Ngayon, kilalanin naman natin kung sino-sino ba ang mga makakatuwang natin dito sa negosyo natin. Umpisahan natin sa ating Game Changer founder, Coach Marvin Urbano. Siya po ay dating security guard at Millionaires Club din siya sa dati niyang company. With more than decade of experience in guiding dreamers from different walks of life. Next, also, syempre, yours truly, ang Ma'am Descarte, Marivic Urbano, isa din po sa Game Changers co-founder. Graduate po ako ng Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Mother of 3, Millionaires Club din po tayo sa dati nating company, and of course, trainer po tayo and Speakers Bureau ng ating team. Next naman natin, Coach Ian Sado, isa din siya sa ating Game Changer founder. Siya po ay college undergrad, team trainer, team Speakers Bureau, at team head ng IT and graphics, and he's committed and loves to guide people. Next, our Game Changer core leader, Coach Junray De Chos. Siya po ay isang engineer, a former employee, and with a humble heart to help others. Next natin, ang Game Changer core leader din natin is an employee also, Coach Jefferson Minted. He's a supervisor and a family man. May malalim na dahilan para gawin ang business. Next of our core leader is Christopher De Leon, currently an employee right now. Work as a family driver and doing the business part-time, pero ang attitude niya pang full-time. And also, ang ating Malu Fit, kasi lagi po siya nagbabike dahil fit na fit talaga. One of our Game Changer core leader, Coach Malu Dimla. Dati po siyang empleyado, mompreneur, at isa din po siyang traditional business owner. She worked 32 long years in a big and well-known company. Naniniwala siya na kapag na-reach mo yung retirement years mo, active income stops, but expenses never stops. Kaya nga ang sabi niya, mas maganda na may side hustle ka. Next to our Game Changer core leader, Coach Isabel Salvador, a doctor of philosophy, former university professor, former employee, and a business owner. A very humble, all the way from Sicily, Italy, with a very generous heart in helping colleagues, and she acknowledged that adversity in life can be an opportunity too. That's why she branded herself as Ma'am Tatag ng Italia. Next is Coach Jovi De Celis, a mompreneur, traditional business owner. Siya po ay wife ng isang uniform man, a nurse by profession, but her heart beats in business. She managed multiple business and her family. That makes her busy all day. Pero sabi niya, kailangan meron pa siyang ibang gagawin. Ayaw niya mapag-iwanan. That's why she is the team Ma'am Shipag. Next is Coach Mylene Kilor, a former employee, traditional business owner, a woman with few words, but really an action taker that leads her into this industry. She wants more in life for her family, kaya naman, ang free time for her should be a productive and gives her profit. Next natin is also a mompreneur din, Coach Jen Privado, a former employee. A life not living with your loved ones is her motivation to do this business. Kasi nasa ibang bansa ang kanyang partner. Kaya naman nakita niya na maganda gawin ang business para this will give her family a better future na kahit hindi na aalis ng bansa ang partner niya. Next is Coach Joyce Lawanan, a current employee, a happy lady who is risk taker and understand kung saan siya dadalhin ng pagiging empleyado niya. She knows that receiving a fixed salary will never give her dreams in life. Next natin is Coach Aluna Alto, a former employee din siya. One of the core who has the angelic face, hustling quietly and focus on progress. She believed that she has more to give to get her dreams in life and to her family. And last but not the least, Coach Lilibet Ombal, a senior high graduate, Team Speakers Bureau. She has high belief on her own capability. She refrained from entertaining negative feedback, and siya po yung tao na hindi mo mariringgan talaga ng complaint. She focused on doing more than complaining. That's why she brand herself as Miss Unstoppable. So ngayon, nakilala mo na isa-isa kung sino yung mga pwede mong lapitan na makakatuwang mo dito sa business natin. Kaya starting today, we'll guide you step by step. Kung gusto mo magsimula ng negosyo pero kulang ka sa oras at puhunan, anong option meron ka? Madali lang sabihin magnegosyo ka pero ang totoo, hindi lahat may pangpuhunan, lalo na sa mga puhunan ng online business ngayon, pinakamababa yung 10,000 pesos. Hindi lahat din may oras magbenta, mag-deliver, or mag-asikaso ng stocks. At lalo na, hindi lahat may guide kung paano magsimula. Buti na lang, sa ngayon may mga online business and one of it is affiliate marketing. Isang smart na paraan to earn online. Kahit kulang ka sa time, experience, or resources. Before I dive in deeper to our topic, gusto ko ma-familiarize ka muna sa mga business terms. Ito kasi yung most innovative na business model at sumasabay sa pagbabago ng ating teknolohiya. First is a membership club. This is a business model where customer pay a recurring fee or to access an exclusive products, services, or benefits. Yung isa naman, yung subscription. Ito naman yung business model na katulad ng Netflix, Zoom, and mga apps natin na need mo mag-subscribe para ma-activate ang mga services at products na offer nila. Ang last is yung affiliate marketing program. Now, affiliate marketing program naman, ito yung isang paraan ng pagpopromote ng isang products or services or company as a whole at kapalit ay commissions at bonuses. You know that affiliate marketing, ito ang the best way to earn online. Why is it the best model for beginners? Kasi low risk. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking kapital. Flexible ang time. Kahit 30 minutes lang a day, pwede mo siya gawin. Plug and play ang system. May ready na tools. And unlimited market. Kasi pwede kahit sino, kahit saan. Ano naman ang magandang i-affiliate? Digital products are low in cost of goods sold. Ang mga digital products kasi minsan lang pinag-isipan pero binebenta siya ng paulit-ulit. Dahil nga ito ay online, walang mahal na production cost at hindi kailangan paulit-ulit na i-produce. Hindi ito nauubos. Kaya nga mababa ang kanilang cost of goods sold at kaya nila magbigay ng high commissions. So ibig sabihin, ang digital or intangible products, they have low cost of goods sold and high commission. Now, masasagot na natin kung ano ba yung best product to promote. So ano naman ba yung best digital products? Kung pag-usapan natin best to promote is a digital product, ano ba yung digital product na the best na i-promote? Ang digital products na best na i-promote ay platforms. So ang tanong, ano ba yung smartest platform? Live Good platform is the best platform to promote. So why Live Good is the smartest platform to promote? First, ito yung business model ni Live Good where customers pay recurring fee to access exclusive products or services. Ayan yung membership club. Si Live Good din ay subscription-based business model na kung saan retention of client and recurring income building up relation also. And si Live Good ay may affiliate marketing program wherein you don't need to stock products. No business setup, no employee to consider. Marketing tools are all provided. High resolution of product videos and photos are provided also. Next is na i-consider natin ay ang community. So, kilalanin natin yung mga may-ari ng Live Good. First is our CEO. Meron siyang experience sa health and wellness industry with over 20 years. Siya rin ang nag-build ng other successful companies before. Transparent and very hands-on ang ating CEO. Si Ben mismo ang gumagawa ng updates, products, and decisions. Hindi lang pera yung habol niya. Siya ay CEO na may puso. Ang galing ng owner, di ba? Okay, next natin ay si Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Si Dr. Ryan ay pharmacist at siya yung nagpo-formulate ng ating product. At ang sabi niya, I don't create product to sell. I create products to use. And next natin ang kanyang wife, si Lisa Goodkin, na meron siyang master degree in exercise physiology. So si Lisa nakafocus siya on minimizing stress and maximizing productivity and loves spending time outdoor with her family. And of course, ang legend na si Nodar Kazan. He's been a top leader and icon in the world of business. So number 2 na i-consider natin is the products. Ryan has hand-formulated each and every one of the Live Good products, utilizing only the highest quality ingredients harvested from the purest sources around the globe. Grabe, ano? So it did not depend on manufacturers. They are hands-on. So ibig sabihin, naka-align talaga ito sa mission ng company. We're in to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Live Good product is company-based and products are top level. All natural. Karamihan ng ibang health products sa market, overpriced. Sa Live Good, you get high quality at fair price. Ang maganda pa, hindi mo kailangan maging expert dito. You can just share your own experience or testimonials from the group. So Live Good offers high quality health products that help people feel better and stay better without breaking the bank. Sabi nga, real health-driven affordable ang products ni Live Good. Now, products din natin ay natural. May mga certifications tayo, may mga approving bodies na nagbigay ng seals na nagpapatunay na yung products natin are natural, clean, and tested. And also, a certificate of analysis. They themselves process and hold it and accessible to all. You do not need to learn all of it to be an expert to your client. See, even the e-commerce platform and dropshipping is already provided. May marketing tools like videos, hindi mo na kailangan gawin. Ang team na ang gagawa niya. Different ways of earning dito sa company. Meron tayong dalawang klase ng product, yung digital at physical products. Na kung saan ang digital products, ito yung Live Good platform at ang physical products naman, ang health and wellness. Now, isa-isahin natin pag-usapan ang 5 simple ways of earnings para mas maunawaan mo paano ka mag-earn dito. Number 1 is the fast start bonus. Every time na may mag-avail sa atin ng membership platform, meron tayong commission. Magkano? Bibigyan tayo ng company ng 50% commission. Sa isang mag-avail ng platform na $50, for 50%, you will earn $25. Ang business natin ay worldwide. Ang market mo, worldwide din. Yun ang ganda ng digital kasi you can reach market sa buong mundo. For example, may nag-avail sa US, may $25 ka. May nag-avail sa Japan, may $25 ka din. At may nag-avail sa UAE, may income ka din na $25. At habang dumadami yung nag-a-avail, of course, marami din yung $25 na nare-receive mo. So, ganun kaganda kahit nasan ka, basta may gadget ka with internet connection, may business ka, may income ka. Now imagine, kung ikaw nanay katulad ko at may business kang ganito, nag-earn ka every week, ang laking tulong, di ba? So for example, this week, may nag-sign up sa'yo na 5. Dahil weekly ang release ng commission sa Fast Start Bonus, next week, may $125 ka na. May pamalengke ka na, di ba? Aba, sobra pa. May pangbayad ka pa ng kuryente. Ang laking tulong talaga. Gusto ko lang paalala sa'yo na bawat negosyo, tandaan natin, walang magic sa pagkita. Your income depends on your effort. Kaya, you have to put effort to listen, put effort to learn, and put effort to take action. But what is the good news? Here in Game Changers community, you don't need to hard sell. You don't need to do it yourself because we have a proven system. You'll just have to follow. Di ba ang ganda? Now, let's go to the second way to earn, the Matrix bonus. Since isa ka ng Live Good affiliate, sa account mo, meron tinatawag na Matrix. For example, nakapagpa-sign up ka ng 5, automatically, malalagay sila sa Matrix mo. Sa mga digital products, you can activate it through what we call subscription. Parang Netflix. Para maging active ang Netflix account mo, makakapanood ka, kailangan mo nang mag-subscribe. Ngayon, yung mga nag-avail sa'yo ng platforms, since nag-e-enjoy sila sa service at products ni Live Good, every time na nagsusubscribe sila, meron kang small commission. Magkano ba yung subscription nila? Ang monthly subscription ay $9.95 and you can earn 0.25. Ang maganda kasi dito, kahit yung mga napasign up ng affiliates mo, since nasa matrix mo sila, kapag mag-subscribe sila, may income ka pa rin na 0.25. Ang galing, di ba? Maliit lang ang 0.25 kung tutuusin, pero kahit maliit, kung galing sa marami at pinagsama-sama, malaki pa rin. Kung this month, meron kang 40 na na affiliates at nag-subscribe. So next month, 40 times 0.25, may $10 ka na. Number 3, matching bonus. Natandaan mo yung unang 5 na nag-sign up sa'yo? Bawat isa sa kanila may sariling matrix sa account kagaya mo. And every time na kumikita sila sa matrix, meron kang kinikita din. Na ang basehan ay 50% of their matrix commission. For example, kung isang affiliates mo nag-earn ng $100 sa matrix niya, 50% nun, meron kang $50. Ganun kasimple. Kung ang isa mo may income na $50, ang kalahati nun, $25. Kung isa naman ay may $20 na income sa matrix niya, ang 50% nun, $10 mapupunta sa'yo. Yung $30 naman kinita ng isa, ganun lang din kasimple. 50% is $15. So, ibig sabihin, kapag tinutulungan mo yung affiliates mong kumikita ka rin. So, everybody win. So, ang fourth natin, nakitaan ang retail commission. Ang retail commission ay manggagaling sa ating physical products, ang health and wellness. Every time na may bumibili ng products ni LiveGood sa link mo, we earn commission based on what products na nabenta natin. Ngayon, dito sa LiveGood, marami kang pagpipilian ng gusto mong i-affiliate. Naka-ready na yung listings ng products at lahat ng pwede mong malaman about sa products provided na. Like certificate of analysis, may mga video explanations, at meron na ring mga reviews sa mga bawat products. Dahil sa affiliate program ng company, you don't need to have inventory, deliver products, track your sales. Because the company will do everything for you. Yung client, pupunta sa link mo, magsha-shop siya doon, and the company will deliver door to door sa client mo. At ikaw, may kita. Ang pang-fifth natin, ang influencer bonus. Kung may bulk sales na nagawa ka for month, for example, 1,000 na sales ka for a month. So next month, may certain percentage of commission kang marireceive. So ibig sabihin, the more product you sold, the higher commission you get. So ang simple lang kumita dito sa LiveGood, di ba? Sobrang gaan. Kahit nasan ka, kaya mong gawin. Income depends on your effort. Kaya put effort to listen, put effort to learn, and put effort to take advantage of digital platform. Bakit nga ba maganda ang digital platform? Because instant access. No shipping needed. Global ang market. You can promote to anyone, anywhere. Higher commissions kasi nga walang malaking gastos sa production. Recurring ang income. Membership base siya. May kita ka monthly. And automation. Most platforms handle customer support and delivery. Kaya naman yung business model na LiveGood, no pressure, no monthly quota. This is where LiveGood really stand out. Walang monthly quota, walang minimum purchase, hindi ka pinipilit bumili ng marami para lang kumita. That's why many people, yung mga mommies, OFW, retirees can do this without pressure. Clarity will make you fall in love with LiveGood. We'll go deeper into why LiveGood is special kind of opportunity para mas lumalim ang paniniwala mo kasi kapag buo ang paniniwala mo, mas confident ka magsalita, mag-share ng about LiveGood. Traditional business naman natin i-compare ang LiveGood. Kapag magpatayo ka ng traditional business, permit and licenses, magbabayad ka sa DTI, 500 kung national ang coverage mo. Business permit, 7,000 pesos. Processing expenses, 3,000 pesos. Pag magpapatayo ka pala ng simpleng business pa lang, ang magagastos mo na sa organizational cost pa lang, 10,500 na. Pero sa LiveGood, affiliate and membership fee mo lang, 3,000 pesos. Sa traditional business, you need effort and time. May yearly renewal ka sa business permit. Mag-e-expect ka ng increase in amount. Kasi pag tataas yung sales mo, tataas din yung license mo. Sa LiveGood, faster ang generation of income kasi may leverage system. Overall, in LiveGood, you are not just promoting. Meron tayong FB group to support, may team na tumutulong, may weekly Zoom, team check-ins and updates, may training series like this. May recognition, encouragement, and culture of growth. So, why LiveGood? The 4 major ages is the owner is real, proven, and trusted. The products are highly quality, affordable, and helpful. The business model is fair and pressure-free, and the compensation plan is powerful and made for duplication. So to complete the 9 ages, there are 5 additional ages of LiveGood. Global business, borderless income, plug-and-play system, even beginner ka, you can do it. Low startup costs, high potential earning, supportive community and leadership, and long-term vision, not just